Welcome to our channel. Discover the easiest way to activate your Green Dot card and start using it right away without any hassle. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the simple and straightforward process of activating your Green Dot card so you can access your funds and enjoy all the benefits without delay. Activating your Green Dot card is a quick process that you can complete in just a few minutes by following these clear steps. First, make sure your Green Dot card has arrived in good condition with no visible damage. Now you have two main activation options: online and by phone. Let's start with online activation. Step 1. Visit the official Green Dot activation website, which is typically printed on the card packaging or the card itself. Step 2. Create an account or log in. If you already have one, securely enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV found on the back of your card. Step 3. Provide any additional information requested, such as your personal details, which help verify your identity. Step 4. Choose a PIN for your card. Remember to select a secure number that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Step 5. Review all entered details carefully before submitting the form. Once submitted, you should receive confirmation that your card is activated and ready to use. Alternatively, if you prefer phone activation, just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Call the toll-free number provided with your card information. Step 2. Follow the automated prompts to enter your card number, expiration date, and other verification details. Step 3. Set your PIN using the phone keypad as instructed. Step 4. Listen for the confirmation message indicating your card is now active. To ensure a smooth activation process, keep your personal information handy, including your card number and any identification details you may need. It is important to activate your Green Dot card as soon as possible after receiving it to avoid any delay. Accessing your funds: once your card is active, you can use it for online shopping, bill payments, and ATM withdrawals anywhere Green Dot cards are accepted. Remember that if you encounter any difficulties during activation, Green Dot customer service is ready to help you solve problems quickly and efficiently. Follow these steps and enjoy your Green Dot card with peace of mind and convenience.